I'm delighted as chair of the all-party group for children and young people to host today's event on holiday hunger and to look at the issue of how we feed our children, the most vulnerable children outside of school times. We have a problem of inequality in our society, we have a problem of poverty. It doesn't go away when school stops. What we need to do is provide solutions and provide meals for those children outside of term time.
I'm really interested in digging deeper into the causes. The all-party assembly group on children and young people felt strongly about this issue of holiday hunger, and we felt it important to facilitate this evidence session today. The Detail and Children in Northern Ireland have been doing excellent work around highlighting the severity of holiday hunger here in Northern Ireland, and we've had a wide range of community and voluntary sector organisations present to us today about the good work that they're doing, but also about the added level of support that they need from government to properly tackle this issue. I look forward to working with all of those organisations and with my MLA colleagues here at the Assembly to ensure that we do what is necessary to make sure all children in Northern Ireland have access to that healthy meal that they need every day.
The statistic of overweight and obesity is at 31%, whereas in the 20% least deprived areas is 22%. So that's a really big difference.
I find today's session very interesting, talking about holiday hunger. We know that at school, children generally are getting at least one good meal during the school day that is healthy and nutritious and well balanced. During the school holidays, this is obviously much more of an issue. We know that approximately 83,000 children are eating free school meals every day that they're at school. So that's a lot of children in the school holidays potentially going without a healthy meal.
It would be remiss of me in my role if I didn't mention some of the additional needs that we feel that they face, because we do believe that they're...
So we're delighted to be here at the all-party group today for children and young people, and we've been asked to present some of our finding and some evidence around the impact that holiday hunger has on children and young people in our area in Portadown and Craigavon. We have direct experience of young people arriving at our events without any lunch whatsoever, or inadequate lunch, and we feel an obligation to start a campaign to try and overcome that, and we do that by sometimes providing emergency meals for those children, but we're delighted this year to be part of a programme which will take a more sustained and strategic approach to combating those most at risk.
My name's Fionnuala McAndrew. I'm Director of Social Care and Children at the Health and Social Care Board, and I work with the Children and Young People Strategic Partnership. We have established a task and finish group to roll out the holiday hunger pilot, to see how we can scale that up across Northern Ireland and to see how we can get buy-in from agencies and from government that this is a serious issue in Northern Ireland, and we're very pleased that the partnership has come together to support this really important agenda.
We're actually the social community and youth engagement.
My name's Neil White. I'm the Youth Engagement Events Manager for Pathways. We're very privileged to be part of this programme this year. Portadown Gets Active. We have organised the OCN accreditation, a mini medics first aid, and also cooking sessions over the 6 days. During the whole overarching programme, it's regarding healthy, active lifestyle, where we have to look at educating them as much as possible regarding nutritional meals, balanced diets, and also how to cook and prepare these meals in coordination with the rest of the group as well.
Well, I think that this holiday hunger pilot that is taking place in Portadown this year is really valuable. We're looking forward to being involved in it this year and looking at the learning that can come out, that we understand better the nutritional implications of not having access to free school meals during the school holidays.
For me as a parent, it is shocking to hear of the number of children who are turning up to youth clubs without a proper lunch, without having had a proper breakfast. This impacts on our children's ability to develop and flourish in terms of their education and in terms of their outcomes in later life. I think it's been a very important event in discussing some of these issues, and now we hope to take forward actions to try to help tackle these issues.